Hello and welcome everyone to our lesson today. I hope everyone is doing very well. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Today we have a grammar lesson. So please open your student's books, page 81. Grammar. Report the speech. What do you know about report the speech? Report speech means indirect speech. So what's the difference between direct speech and report speech? Direct speech is the actual words people say. He said, I am a Batman. So these actual words, we call it direct speech. When we are write a sentence in the direct speech, we have to use speech marks. These ones. Okay, what about report speech? Report speech say the words the other people said. So when I report other people words, so we call it reported speech. Like this, he said he was a Batman. What happened here? We use he said. After that we write the sentence, okay? But do we write here or do you put here speech marks? No. So no speech marks here. Okay? And we change the pronouns and it depends according to the speaker. Then we change the tense. Here, it was here am, so present simple, so we change it into past simple was. Okay, let's study some examples. The first one, Jane said he works in a bank. This is direct speech because here we have speech marks. Okay, so we change it into reported speech. She said that he worked in a bank. What happened here? First of all, we start with she said. We can write that or not. It's optional. Okay? Then we don't write, we cut out the speech marks and write he works. What's the tense here of this verb? It's present simple. So we change it into past simple. So instead of works, it will be worked in a bank. That's it. Okay? Let's see the second example. Jane said, I didn't go to the party. This is direct speech. We want to change it into reported speech. She told me that she hadn't. So we change here. We change I into she according to the subject. She hadn't gone. So we change didn't go into hadn't gone. So past simple into past perfect. Okay? To the party and of course we removed the speech marks. Let's see the third and last example. Alice said, I am coming. What's the tense here? Yes, great. It's present continuous. Let's see the reported speech. She said that she was coming. So we change I into she. So we change the pronoun. Okay? And here, what's the tense here? I am coming. We change it into was coming. So we change present continuous into past continuous. We have here a table. Let's read and study it together. Report the speech. When we report somebody else's words, the tense of the verb usually changes. Direct speech and reported speech. Present simple, we change it into past simple. I don't like dogs, Ben said. So Ben said that he didn't like dogs. So what happens here? What are the changes here? We change I into he. Then we change present simple, don't like into past simple, didn't like. Okay, the second, my dad is at work. Becky said. Becky said that we change my into her. Dad was at work, we change is into was. So we change it here. The pronouns from my into her. We change present simple into past simple. What about present continuous? We change it into past continuous. He's wearing a blue top, Michelle said. Michelle said that he was wearing a blue top. past simple into past perfect. We moved to London in 2000, Phil said. Phil said that they had moved to London, so we changed the pronoun from we into they, and we changed moved to had moved, past simple into past perfect. Is it necessary to use that? No, it's not necessary to use that in reported speech. Okay, what about pronouns? The pronouns sometimes change, sometimes, not always, depending on the context. My name is Jill, she said. We always start with the subject, she said, or he said, okay? She said that her name, so we change my into her. Name, a change is into was. She said that her name was Jill. The second one, we went to the cinema, Mark said. So we start with Mark said. Mark said that, change we into they. They, change went to, had gone to the cinema. So we change the pronoun and the tense. Number 3. I'll meet you after school, Becky said. Becky said she would meet me after school. So we change I into she and we change will into would. Okay, here apostrophe L, double L instead of will, and apostrophe D instead of would. Okay, now please I want you to open your student's books, page 81. Explore, task 1. Read the text. Who said the following things? Find the parts of the text that give you the answers. So what are we supposed to do here? We are supposed first to read here this reported speech, okay? And then find here, okay, find what? The parts of the text that give you the answers. Okay, so let's read the reported speech here. I am robbing the bank. Number 2, you are in the Wells Fargo Bank. 3, you need to take the form to the Bank of America. 4, a man tried to rob the bank. You have your time? Go ahead. All the best. Have you finished? Let's check your work. The first one, the robber. He said that he was robbing the bank. Number 2, the assistant. She said that he was in the Wells Fargo Bank. 3, the assistant. She said that he needed to take the form to the Bank of America. 4, also the assistant. She told the police that a man had tried to rob the bank. Okay, let's go for the next task. Exercise 2. Compare the quotations with the parts of the text that you found. How do the verbs and pronouns change? Look at the information in the Learn This box and complete the rules. So what do we have here? We have here 4 rules. We have to read them and we have to choose the correct option, as we have here 2 options for each rule. Let's read the first one. When you change direct speech to reported speech, number 1, verbs in the present simple usually change to the future or the past simple? Yes, great, the past simple. I want you to read from 2 till number 4 and choose the correct option. Go ahead, all the best. Done? Let's check your work. Number 2. Verbs in the present continuous usually changes to present simple or past continuous? Great. Past continuous. Number 3. Verbs in the past simple usually changes to past perfect or present perfect? Past perfect. Great. Number 4. Pronouns always change or sometimes it change depending on the context? Great. Sometimes it change depending on the context. Great. Now let's do the next task. Exploit. Task 1. Rewrite the quotations in reported speech. Change the pronouns if necessary. So what do we have here? Actually, we have 8 direct speeches, and we want you to change them into reported speech. The first one is already done as an example. Let's read it together. I want to catch the thief, the policeman said. So as I told you, we start with the subject. The policeman said that he, is change I into he, and want into wanted, present simple into past simple. So the policeman said that he wanted to catch the thief. So I'll give you enough time to do the sentences from number 2 till number 8. Go ahead, all the best. Have you finished? Let's check your work. Number 2. She said that she had stolen a book from the bookshop. So we change she stole into had stolen. Okay. Number 3. She said that the police had arrested a thief. Arrested into had arrested. Number 4. He said that he went joyriding at weekends. He went, so we change what here? Go into went. Number 5. We are questioning 2 teenagers about the burglary, the policeman said. So the policeman said that they were questioning 2 teenagers about the burglary. Okay, so are questioning changes into were questioning. Number 6. A boy in my class vandalized a phone box, my brother said. My brother said that a boy in his class had vandalized a phone box. So change vandalized into had vandalized. Number 7. Jake is a fraudster, said Mark. Mark said that Jake was a fraudster. Number 8. The policemen are looking for the bank robbers. She said that the policemen were looking for the bank robbers. Okay, now let's go back to our students' books. Task number 2, write down 3 short sentences using the present simple, present continuous, and past simple. He gives you an 3 examples. I like English. It isn't raining. I went to school yesterday. So I want you to write these examples and others in your notebooks. Task 3 is speaking, so let's do exercise 4. Find the reported speech in the text, change it into direct speech. So what do we have here? We have here a text and we have here reported speech. Said to the man that they were sitting in her car. So you have here reported speech. So please, you have to underline them in the text. After that, write the direct speech in your notebooks. Okay, go ahead. All the best. Okay, let's check your answers. Here, the second, she said that she wanted them to get out. After that, she said that it was the wrong key and that it didn't fit. She said to her friend that this wasn't her car. Okay, said to the police officer that they had accidentally stolen a car. He said that they had arrived at the police station a few minutes ago and had reported the theft of the car by two dangerous old ladies. And here we have the direct speech. You are sitting in my car. I want you to get out. It's the wrong key and it doesn't fit. This isn't my car. We accidentally stole a car. They arrived at the police station a few minutes ago and they reported the theft of the car by two dangerous old ladies. Thanks a lot. See you.